Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can change your expression in your photos with the CapCut app. So just click new project and select the photos that you want to edit the expression. For example, I select this photos and click add, and then just click the clip or the photos and then click style on the bottom, so you can find this expression in the CapCut. So for the shade expression, low expression, smile expression, or poker space. So select this one as you like, just click okay. So here we go. Okay, it's the original expression. Yeah, okay, it's basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.